Okay, you are welcome again in Donval FX social media channel. In this episode, we want to continue with the pending order. So the previous one, what we discussed about buying limit, where we also describe buying limit as as an instruction to buy an asset on the price below the current price. Okay, and we said that the price must be selling for you to place your buy limit. So in this session we are going to discuss about buy stop. So this one, which is the buy limit we discussed in the previous episode, we said is a certain level of the price or an instruction to buy at a certain level of the price that is lower than the current price. Then this one is buy stop, which we describe as an instruction to buy an index or an asset at a certain level of the price that is higher than the current price. How do we mean? So let's go and establish this on the chart. Okay, let me change an index. Let's say boom 600. Remember I said, let me review what we discussed. This is boom 600 selling. Okay, boom 600 selling, and we said if you are to put buy limit, I want to recap buy limit, then we take you to buy stop, that the market must currently selling the way it is selling. All right, then you can come down. That is why we say that buy limit is an instruction to buy, to open a buy order or to buy at a certain level of the price that is lower, because this price is lower than the current price. Okay, that is lower than the current price. Okay, this is buy limit. Okay, then buy stop, which is the one we are discussing now, is an instruction to buy an index or an asset at a specific level of the price that is higher than the current price. This is the current price. So if you are setting a buy stop, let me use crash so that you understand it. Let me use crash market. So this is crash market that is currently buying, isn't it? So in case if you are setting buy stop, the market must be currently buying, but maybe you don't want to buy within the current price. You want to buy a bit higher, assuming you want this price to cross this level of spike before you buy. You can use a buy stop to give that instruction. You see, you can take it a bit, click here, it becomes buy stop. You see it's highlighted. If I bring it down now and let's say buy limit will come up, but if I take it up it will change. Just be seeing what is changing here. So buy stop, you buy at a certain level of the price that is higher than the current price. This is the current price, but this price I want to buy now is higher than this current price, meaning that market must be buying. All right, it must be on a buy mood for you to set buy stop. So that what it means that you want this market to connect you to this buy trend when it get to this price higher than this current one, because maybe you're anticipating that there may be a spike within this level where this one spike. So maybe you say after the whole spike, that when the price get to this price higher than this current price, they should execute a buy order for you. Then you now click here to activate it. I will recap it again. Let me show you. The other one we buy at boom 500 have been corrected. You see it's in profit. We place some buy limit on boom 500 the other time when we are discussing buy. Are you seeing all of them in profit? Because this order was activated as the market was moving down. Now after the whole activation, what happened? Market reversed to the upside and then continue giving profit. Are you seeing it now? So this one we use buy limit to execute this one down. Currently on this same 500, you can also put buy stop. Maybe that you expect that after a little move to the downside that price will still spike. Then we are setting a buy stop. Maybe we are assuming that there is a kind of resistance here. Maybe that we are assuming there's a kind of resistance here, and we want market to buy for you, to place a buy for you the moment it break this resistance. So what do? You use a buy stop order. Buy stop order, you seen it? Buy stop to execute your pending order, instructing the market that once it is spike and cross over the resistance, they should connect you to buy. Understand? So, but you can see now that where we place our buy stop is higher than the current price. Look at the current price. Then look at our buy stop. So that's why we describe buy stop as a pending order limit or an instruction to buy what an asset in a certain level of what price higher than the current price. That is what we call buy buy stop. So we can put our this thing here and then activate a buy stop here, meaning that if a spike happen and then tamper that our buy stop entry point, then what will happen is that it will just open a buy for us. If spike happen and get to this thing now, you will not be in profit, you will not be in loss. Rather, your trade will just open. Do you understand? That's what this means. So we just want to connect with this buy trend from this 7088 level of price. All right. So the difference between buy limit and buy stop is that buy limit, you see, market is currently selling now. The current price is going down. Buy limit that you set it below the price. All right, below the current price. This is the current price. I see it. Then this is the buy limit. So I can activate it. I see it now. This one is buy limit. This one is buy stop. So buy stop, you activate it above the current price. Why buy limit, you activate it below the current price. This is the current price. This thing, these two things is moving. Call it price line. But this thing that is changing here is the main price. If you check here, you find out that the values are changing per time. All right. So buy limit, you set it below the current price, which is this one. All right. Why buy stop, you set it above the current price. I hope this thing is well understood. In any index, remember, in any index, whether volatility, then whether volatility or boom or crash or currency pair or anything, is the same operational principle. Now, market is currently buying, and you don't want to join here because market is currently on a resistance. So you can use an instruction of buy stop and say, if this market crosses this resistance, because there's a resistance here, let me draw it, that is disturbing the flow. You see, it has broken the resistance now. Are you seeing it? So assuming, okay, let me put a buy stop somewhere at the top side. I can say, okay, if this move come to this point, they should execute a buy for me. Now it has broken the resistance. Okay, what it means is that if this one is sell limit, sorry, it should be deleted because we are coming to that sell limit of 18. We are talking about buy stop. Now it has broken the resistance. You can instruct it to open a buy order for you if this price actually come a bit higher from the current price. Look at the current price. That if price tamper this thing now, that it should open a buy position for us. If you come here, if you notice that order is pending, volatility 75 order is pending until what this price hit to it. Then we can also put a buy limit below this price in case if this thing is retesting, to retest this line breaking, it can also open another order. Then that one we use buy limit. You see, it's below the price, it's below the current price. That's why it's a buy limit. It's below the current price. Then we take it and it will be there. So two things will happen here now. If this price continue up and hit this one, the first one will come. You see, it's going closer. We have to volatility 75. If the price continue go up and tamper the upper, which is the higher price, which is the buy stop, then this one open. If we tend to retest, if it tend to go down a bit to gather momentum and tamper our buy limit, another, you see, is going down to retest. Then if it tamper our buy limit, then it will also open a buy for us here. Do you understand? So two-way movement, then a buy stop or buy stop or buy limit will execute. So, but the principal things I want you to understand there is that buy limit is an instruction to buy at a certain level of price that is lower than the current price. Simple. Why buy stop? You see, this one is about to execute now. Watch it. It's testing it. It's testing buy stop. If you just push a little, it has opened. Are you seeing it? It has opened. Look at it here. It has opened. All right, and that is buy stop. You see, buy limit is remaining because price couldn't get lower to that point. You see, you just tamper it, just tamper with our buy limit, and what the market was open. That is what we mean by buy limit and buy stop. So buy stop is instruction to buy at a certain level of price that is higher than the current price, while the buy limit is the instruction to buy at a certain level of price that is lower than the current price. So when we talk about the current price, is this thing that is changing, this two line that is moving is the current price. Thank you very much for understanding. I hope this video and makes sense, is educational. I hope you derive values from them. So kindly subscribe, share, and follow us so that you'll get more tips about trading. Thank you very much, and bye.